Hey guys, I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing of this stuff. There's a couple of other videos out there from other people who've already done this, so I'm sure some of you have already seen this stuff, but here we go. So it just came in today, and actually in the top of the box, we had this sitting there, which is basically a set of 5 colored metallic pencils that just went in with the top of the box. Real pretty bunny design, which I imagine we're going to be seeing a lot more of in the box. Then of course it has all this wonderful stuffing and paper. Top of the box we have a set of white gel pens, it says, but clearly there's more colors in here. So there are 2 of them. So, and what Bonnie had said is that this was really focused at getting the ability to write more with them. So here we go. This is the next thing. This is a stencil. Actually, it's a metal stencil. So, whoop, man, I'm just throwing things all over the place. Should probably get my wife to help me. All right, here we go. It's a nice little metal stencil, and whoo, money. You probably don't want to hand this to your child. That is sharp, and it's sharp looking. So, all right, the next thing in here is a bunch of stickers that are on theme. Next, we have a sticky notepad. Okay, and this is just a sticky notepad with looks like a couple of different designs in it for it. The first set of designs is the rabbit. The second set of designs is the bear. Next is the envelope with the wax seal on it. Try and pop this open without breaking anything. All right, I got it. And in here you'll find, these are something I'm actually kind of excited about, a set of Dutch doors that you can tip into your journal that help to divide up the journal. And so when Bonnie was talking about it, she said that this is an area that they left intentionally open so that you can color on it or do whatever you need to do something creative. But that it's also, you know, decorated enough that if you just wanted to just use this as like a calendar divider for each of your months, that you would be able to do so. It does only run through June. And I'll be honest with you, the fact that it does not run the entire year, to me says something. I would call it foreshadowing. All right, the next thing is this really cool, they're calling it a journal bag. It's like a super beefed out cover, really, and it's got a nice, cool little tassel on it. Thank you. And inside, there's foam. Whoop. And it's got spots for a couple of your pens and different things like that. And it looks like it is definitely big enough to hold a B5, which is exciting because nobody ever has journal stuff for B5s. And you can see that there's a place to actually kind of slide the cover in here. And then you've got bookmarks in there as well that will also help do things. And then there's an additional pen loop over here, which is great because usually when you put your notebook in something like this, you lose your elastic and your pen loop. So I am actually pretty super excited about this. The design is really pretty as well. And then the last thing that's in here is, of course, a blackout book that is 40 pages. It is a dot grid. As you can see, the cover is gorgeous. And I'm going to hand this to my wife, my lovely assistant. Here is the planner. Open it up, and then side here is this gorgeous purple with the rabbit on it. And it's got the side gilded gold pages with a gold bunny on the front. 160 GSM, ultra thick black paper, just like they usually use, which is not normally my bag, but I will say this. I am actually excited about this one because Bonnie explained the reasoning behind the 40 pages instead of the normal 112, 116, 140 pages. And ultimately what it boils down to is this was designed to be kind of like a year beginning planner for you, right? So it's supposed to function as a goal setting book. And there is a course that came with this that you can access online that allows you to kind of go through that. And the 40 pages are really just designed to get you started into the year, but not be so much of a journal that you feel guilty about not having finished it and all that stuff as the year goes on. So I'll use it as an everyday kind of commonplace journal or something like that to go along with my goals, do as a separate collection book, which actually is something that I was already planning on doing this year. Because I do a new journal every quarter, and I'm tired of migrating, guys. I don't want to migrate all of the common stuff. So, all right, guys, that is it for now. Perhaps I'll do another video later with some of this stuff actually in use, but we'll see. All right, and so if you liked this video, go ahead and like and subscribe for more content. And just for a side note, I am an affiliate for Archer and Olive, and so if you use my discount code that you can find in my bio, you can get 10% off of any of these Archer and Olive products. Now, for the sub box, you can't use it, but you can go ahead and use the link that's in my bio if you want to support me, because I do receive a small commission if you use the link. All right, everybody have a good day.